Hello everybody, this is Tucker Miller here again, and I'm here at All Saints Catholic Church in Fort Worth, and we're going to be recording the 12 o'clock chimes. So yeah, I'm not sure yet, but it's 12 o'clock right now. So I'm not going to have a lot of time. Oh, there we go. It appears to be doing an Angelus chime. Alright, that was the full bell peal. Now see it was gonna play any music. Wait about a minute. Okay, nothing's happening right now. So yeah. Alright, I don't think it's doing anything else right now, actually. So, yeah. But, anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. And, yeah, so anyways, that is it for this video here at All Saints Catholic Church in Fort Worth. And stay tuned for the next video. But until then, see you in the next video. Bye.